Hello? Hello? Is this thing on? Hi, welcome to Wizard School. I am Professor Milo. Yeah, I'm Professor Milo. And for simplicity's sake, I will not be editing these videos, but we are going to learn the ins and outs of, I suppose, non-denominational magic. Yay, magic. Yay. Alright, so today's topic we're going to start out with is what is magic? And I have a couple of quotes for you here today to try to understand what magic is, and at the end of the video I will kind of give you my summary and definition. Alright, so there's a quote here from Solomonic Magic from the Ligamenton of King Solomon. Magic is the highest, most absolute, most divine knowledge of natural philosophy, advanced in its works and wonderful operations by a right understanding of an inward and occult virtue of things, so that true agents being applied to proper patients, strange and admirable effects will therefore be produced. Basically what he's saying is it's the basic true knowledge of the universe and how to use it. I mean, kind of. That's what I'm gathering out of this particular quote here. A more simplistic quote from Aleister Crowley, one of the top Thelema magicians. I can't talk today. That's great. Alright, so the quote from Aleister here is, "This magic is the science and art of causing change to occur in conformity with will." Now, I do like this quote because it is very simplistic, but I don't think it's quite complete. Does that make any sense to you? Anyway, Aleister is basically trying to say that magic is basically forcing your will upon the universe, which I do like, but I don't think it's the complete definition. Another quote I have here from Oberon Ravenheart, author of the amazing book Grimoire for the Apprentice Wizard, which I read a lot and I highly suggest it. Magic is coincidence control. I do like this, but I think it, again, is incomplete. And from the same book, Ardarnia Judith says magic is probability enhancement. This one is a lot more complete, I believe, and I'll explain why here in a minute. So, what is magic? My particular definition is magic is the art and science of causing change to occur with will, probability enhancement, that you can produce through natural laws. At least I think that's what it is. Alright, so basically my definition of magic is causing change with will to affect the probability of something happening. So it kind of incorporates all those in kind of a weird meshmash, wish-wash type of thing. And yeah. So with this definition, kind of goes into the basis of how magic actually works. and it does work within natural law. So, say you want to win the lottery. Well, that's a 1 in, what, we'll say a million, because I don't know the exact answer right at the time. So you perform your ritual, and say it doubles your odds. Well, that 1 in a million has become 1 in 500,000, which is still not very likely. So using magic to alter things like the lottery and stuff like that is very difficult, especially if there's a lot of people trying to do the same thing and manipulations and energies flying everywhere. I mean, it's crazy. I mean, you can't expect to win the lottery just off of a spell or energy manipulation or however you choose to do magic. Or prayer. Prayer is also magic by very definition, causing changes in reality in accordance to will. Yeah. By very definition, prayer is magic. So, continuing on with that analogy, say you need some money or something, and the probability of you finding money is actually kind of high, or getting an opportunity to make money, or something like that. So a simple money spell can open up doors and opportunities. It can be as simple as finding 20 bucks on the ground. It can be all kinds of things. So, yeah. Well, that was a face. Anyway, so working with magic like this to enhance probabilities is probably the best use of magic. So magic works better when it's more in line with concentric thought and when the probabilities are much higher, if that makes any sense to anybody. So, going through what magic actually is, basically, I think of it as using your willpower to influence the energies of the universe to cause change. You can kind of explain it in sympathetic terms as, everything is interconnected, down to use physics terms, the Higgs field. There's so many energies and stuff in there, and the universe was, at one point, just a singular point, so therefore everything in the entire universe is connected, or was at one time, which jumps into the quantum entanglement theory, and so basically you can affect anything from anywhere at any time, which is why magic works in the first place. Yeah, I think that's basically the video of what magic is. Let me see, am I missing anything? Shifting probabilities, I think we covered that. Using your willpower, which is a very important skill. Coincidence control. Yeah. I think that is kind of a firm grasp of what magic actually is. So I think we can leave it at this, and I will see you guys in the next lesson. See ya.